AMROHA, a name that resonates with history and charm. Even the name sounds pretty, like a melody that lingers in the air, whispering secrets of long ago, tales of ancient times and forgotten lore. It's tucked away in the vast and diverse state of Uttar Pradesh, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. A hidden treasure that most tourists miss, overshadowed by more famous destinations. But if you have a spirit of adventure and a love for exploration, AMROHA is full of exciting things to discover. It's a city where old temples and mosques stand as silent storytellers, narrating the rich history and cultural heritage of the region. It's a place where life follows the rhythm of the seasons, each bringing its own beauty and challenges. Here, farmers work tirelessly in the fields, cultivating the land, while local artists create beautiful crafts that reflect the soul of AMROHA. AMROHA doesn't give up its secrets easily. It invites you to delve deeper, to uncover its mysteries one by one. You need to spend time here, walk through its bustling markets, where the air is filled with the aroma of spices and the chatter of vendors. Talk to the friendly locals who are always ready to share a story or two, and you'll begin to understand the essence of this amazing city. That's how you'll truly get to know AMROHA. Let's explore together and uncover its hidden gems. We'll dive into the rich history, vibrant culture, and unique traditions that make AMROHA so special. We'll visit its landmarks like the serene Sid Baba Temple, a place of peace and spirituality, and the Grand AMROHA Fort, standing tall as a testament to the city's historical significance. We'll savor the local cuisine, a delightful blend of flavors that tell the story of the region's culinary heritage. And we'll join in the vibrant festivals where the community comes together to celebrate with music, dance, and joy. AMROHA is waiting to be discovered. Ready to embark on this journey? Let's go and uncover the magic of AMROHA together. Picture a map of India. It's a vast country with diverse landscapes, cultures, and histories. Now let's focus on the northern part of this incredible nation. Move your finger east from Delhi, the bustling capital city known for its rich history and vibrant culture. Travel about 150 kilometers through the heart of the northern plains, where the landscape is dotted with fields and small towns. You'll reach the region where the Kali River flows through Uttar Pradesh, a river that has been a lifeline for the communities here for centuries. That's where you'll find AMROHA, nestled in the western part of the state. It's a place that might not be on every tourist's itinerary, but it holds a unique charm. AMROHA isn't a huge city. It's a small town where life moves at a different pace, offering a respite from the hustle and bustle of larger cities. It's a place where you can relax, even with all the activity around. The town has a serene vibe, with people going about their daily lives in a laid-back manner. It's small enough to walk around, so you can see, hear and smell everything that makes it special. The narrow streets are filled with the aroma of local cuisine, the sounds of daily chatter, and the sights of vibrant markets. The Kali River, important for the area, flows right through AMROHA, splitting it in two. This river has been a witness to the town's history and continues to be a vital part of its daily life. On one side is the old city with narrow streets and busy markets that feel like they're frozen in time. Walking through these streets is like stepping back into history, with every corner telling a story. On the other side is the new city, with wider roads, modern buildings, and a newer feel. This contrast between the old and the new gives AMROHA a unique character, blending tradition with modernity. AMROHA's location has shaped its history. Situated on old trade routes, it has always been a melting pot of different cultures, traditions, and influences. Because it was on old trade routes, it's always been a mix of different cultures. This diversity is evident in the town's festivals, cuisine, and daily life, where different traditions coexist harmoniously. Today, it celebrates both its past and its future. The town's architecture is a blend of historical and modern styles, and its people take pride in their rich cultural heritage while looking forward to the future. AMROHA has a long and interesting story, one that stretches back through the centuries and is woven with the threads of many different cultures and eras. Legend says a Rajput king founded it in the 11th century, a time when the land was wild and untamed, and the people were just beginning to settle and build their lives. The name AMROHA is believed to come from the mango trees that used to grow abundantly in the area, providing sustenance and a livelihood for the early inhabitants. Over many years, Amroha saw many rulers come and go, each bringing their own culture, traditions and influences to the city. The Mughals, the Marathas and the British all ruled here, each leaving an indelible mark on the city's architecture, culture and way of life. You can see the influence of these different rulers in the diverse architectural styles that still stand today, from grand Mughal palaces to British colonial buildings. The old buildings and ruins scattered around Amroha tell the story of a city that has seen much change and endured through the ages. One of the most iconic examples is the Amroha Fort, a crumbling building that stands as a testament to the city's exciting and tumultuous past. Built during the Mughal era, the fort was a crucial stronghold that protected the area from invaders and served as a center of power. Today, the fort is a popular spot to watch the sunset, offering a breathtaking view that connects the present with the past. But Amroha's history isn't just about kings and battles, it's also about the vibrant life of its markets, the hustle and bustle of daily life, and the traditions that have been passed down through generations. The everyday people who lived there played a crucial role in shaping the city's character, with their strength, creativity and spirit. From local artisans crafting beautiful works of art to community gatherings that brought people together, Amroha's story is one of resilience and cultural richness. The festivals and celebrations that take place in Amroha are a vibrant reminder of the city's enduring spirit and the joy that its people find in their shared heritage. Today, as you walk through the streets of Amroha, you can feel the echoes of its past in every corner, a tapestry of time that continues to unfold. When you walk through Amroha, you'll hear lots of sounds, metalworkers hammering, people selling things and shoppers making deals. Amroha is a city of business and its markets are exciting. Farming is important to Amroha. The land around the city grows lots of food like wheat, rice, sugarcane and mangoes. Every morning farmers bring their food to the city markets to sell. But Amroha isn't just about farming. It also makes things like clothes, crafts and leather goods. Amroha's artists are very skilled and people all over want to buy the things they make. Don't miss the markets in Amroha. Whether you want a good deal, a special souvenir or just want to see the excitement, you'll find something you like. Amroha is a city where faith is important. Temples, mosques and gurudwaras are all close together, showing how different religions live together peacefully. You can hear temple bells, the Muslim call to prayer and Sikh hymns. One important place is the Siddh Baba temple. It's for a local saint who is said to have done miracles. Many people visit the temple every year. Amroha also has many Muslims and the city has beautiful mosques. The Jama Masjid, with its detailed carvings and tall towers, is a great example of Mughal architecture. But Amroha's spiritual side isn't just about religion. It also has many folk tales and legends. Stories of saints, spirits and magical beings are told, making the city feel mysterious. Amroha may not be as famous as some bigger cities, but it's full of charm and history. The city has many landmarks that tell its story. We talked about the Amroha fort, which reminds us of the Mughals. But there's more to see. The Vasudev temple mixes Hindu, Sikh and Sufi traditions, and it's over 2,500 years old. You should also visit the Dargah of Hazrat Syed Bahauddin, a Sufi shrine where people of all faiths come to pray. If you want to relax, take a walk in Tulsi Park. It's a great place for families and friends. The best thing about Amroha is its people. They are kind, friendly and always smiling. They show what Indian hospitality really is. Amroha has many different cultures and communities. Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs and Jains all live together, sharing traditions and respecting each other's beliefs. You can see this mix in the languages, food and customs. Most people speak Hindi, but many also speak Urdu. The food in Amroha is a delicious mix of Mughal, Awadhi and local tastes. Whether you're having tea with a shopkeeper, listening to an old storyteller or just watching daily life, you'll see that the people of Amroha are what make it special. Education is very important in Amroha. The city has a long history of learning, from traditional religious schools to modern universities. Amroha offers many ways to learn. It has some famous schools and colleges like the Government Degree College and Al Hidayah College. These places offer a great education in many subjects. Amroha cares about education, and you can see that in all the schools and colleges around the city. Parents from all backgrounds want their children to get a good education, and they work hard to make it happen. Recently, more students are learning technical skills. This is because Amroha has more industries and needs skilled workers. As our trip through Amroha ends, one thing is clear. This city has a great future. With its history, culture and location, Amroha will become an important place in the years to come. The city is getting new roads, bridges and transportation, connecting it to other cities and making it easier for businesses. But Amroha's real strength is its people. Their energy, hard work and hope for the future are changing the city. If you want to visit a special place with history, culture and modern life, you should go to Amroha. Come and see the magic of this hidden gem. Amroha is calling you.